Oh, one at Cooters is. Oh. Oh! Yeah! Some soda. You know I video tonight, huh? Okay. Oh yeah. I feel good. I win already.
If your face is ever shown in any of our videos by mistake and you want it to be removed, please contact us through any of our social medias.
หากไกลหน้าคุณปรากฏในวิดีโอของเราโดยไม่ได้ตั้งใจและต้องการลบออกกรุณาติดต่อเราทางโซเชียลมีเดียของเรา
Keep walking. Huh? Keep walking. Walking back. All right, come back.
One thing a lot of people don't consider when coming here is that it is not easy as a group to find a bar where everybody is content or happy with their drinking partner. And the more people you have, the harder it gets exponentially. The odds of 4 people all finding a girl highly attractive to hang out with and drink with and play games with is really tough. 2 people can be tough as well, so sometimes you have to make small sacrifices. A lot of the times when you see these videos, my friends are doing that for the sake of the video, and I do appreciate that out of them. And this is why a lot of people split up often.
I'm not really feeling anything. It's weird. Back. I will, if she's cool with being on camera. Yeah. I have to work. She's not cool with camera. Oh, one at Cooters is. Sure, but I'll find another girl. Okay. Some swim. Oh, what's your name? Oh, 7. Like 7-Eleven. How nice to meet you. How old are you? 25. Where are you from? Oh, north, like Chiang Rai? America. No, not me. I'm not biting? America? Oh, America, yeah. I live in Thailand. My good boy, no biting. Yeah. How long you work in Pattaya? Do you like it? First time? Oh, okay. Oh, your English is really good. You changed girls? They never had one. Oh, I thought you said yes. I said no. Oh. 1 year. Yeah, some kale. So, you have customer.
The girl that my friend picked actually used to work at Panda Bar, and she would bother me non-stop, but I would turn her down all the time, mostly because I don't like Panda Bar because it's so loud in there that it's almost useless to record.
You want to play a game? Okay, you have dice? You have corn? We can all play?
Alright, I've gone over this before, but those of you that are just tuning in, the way dice works is you pick a direction, probably clockwise. If you roll a 6, you pass it to your neighbor. If you roll a 1, you take it out of the pool. Whoever runs out of dice first wins.
Okay. So, we go this way, okay? First place, if you or her, we buy you shot, okay? Easy. If you lose, we get that. Okay? If we lose, you slap us, no problem. That was fast. Oh yeah! Tequila white. $2.05. Yeah, I really don't. Do you have baby? Many people have baby and study. Can do both. Good. Oh, Buddha. Oh my God. Oh, tequila white. Ah, you got to slap you. Ah. Yeah, no problem. Oh, Buddha. I try to, I just want to hurt you. Last time I was like, oh shit. She gonna call police? Tequila white. I lost? Okay, next game. Ew. Good thing the camera's on me and nobody can see.
Hammer's face. Look at him. He's just like, oh, I'm over this. I'm only doing this for you, homie. What a trooper.
Tequila white. Oh my God. Go to the gym? Oh my gosh. Alright. Let's get some more drinks in these girls. Oh! Yeah! Oh! Oh my God. You okay? You okay, Mike? You need to call police? I go temple tomorrow, I promise. Oh. I won. You didn't win. I don't know. So loud. I like, this is not so bad. Panda, like loud. Like speaker, so high. And then many girl in Panda Bar cannot speak any English. So, I feel like you Panda Bar like 3 months. I see you a long time there. Yeah, no problem. Thanks for having me. Oh, tequila white. Oh yeah. Remember how hard he do to you, though. Wow. No, you gotta. Tequila white. Ah! Ah, not so bad. That first one was rough. You gonna be okay? You'll be okay. You can drink a lot? Professional? Oh, okay. Oh, yes! It's like my birthday. Sorry, baby. I get so excited. It's so beautiful. I'm like, oh my God. See you later.
Enjoying the content and you want more? Become a YouTube member by hitting that join button and unlock some awesome perks. With the Traveler Circle, you'll get access to our private Discord, perfect for meeting other solo travelers, sharing tips, or just asking for help when you need it. If you're hungry for more content, Video Access perk gives you 2 to 4 extra videos a month, raw, unfiltered, and only for members. If YouTube pricing isn't for you, no worries. Patreon offers the same perks at different price points. Either way, I appreciate the support. It means a lot, guys.
Some soda. I'm good. How are you? What's your name? No phone. How old are you? 20. All right, cool. Where are you from? And Tamil. No. On your Chiang Mai. Oh, cool. I love Chiang Mai. Madagascar. Yeah. My name's Seven. Nice to meet you. You're very popular. Yeah, yeah. How long you been in Thailand? You like? Do you have boyfriend? Babies? No boyfriend, no bitch? Whoa. I bet you cry. Have you done Songkran here before? First time. You wanna play games? Yeah, let's play bingo. Oh, it's so small. My hand's so big though, no? You sure? You like tequila? Victor. Okay, don't count. Oh, wait, what? You know what? I never played. Teach me. Yeah. This is Uno?
If there's one game I dislike more than playing jackpot, it's playing dice heads up. It's kind of boring. It's 50-50. And if you're playing for drinks, you're gonna hemorrhage money. Unless you don't care and you just want to do that, that's fine. But in my case, I'm trying to make it last while filming and being entertaining, and it's not.
Dave, you picked this game, not me. Fuck this game. Yeah, it's okay. Where do you like to go party? You go Republic, iBar? No? I know. Oh. I appreciate it.
YouTube has a new feature called Hype. It only works within the first 7 days of the video to help creators, such as myself that are really small, get a little bump in the algorithm. It only works within the first 7 days, only works through your cell phone. Hit the like button and then hit Hype.
Oh, thanks, babe. I have some soda and whatever you want. You okay, babe? Oh my god, I almost called police. I'm like, I lose Maud. Go find her.
I will say Maud is one of the flirtiest little kittens when she's had a couple in her. So be careful, gentlemen, or don't.
Want to play some dice? Get a girl. Cranberry soda.
Pointing out cultural differences for new people who are to this channel or have never been to Thailand. Thai girls love to point out the fact if you have any excess weight. And granted, I am very tall and sitting down, so no matter what I do or how lean I am, I'm gonna have some rolls. And granted, I could lose some weight. I probably need to lose about 10 kilos to be fair. But yeah, they have no shyness about it at all.
You gave her a complicated order. What do you expect? They want vodka, cranberry soda. Cranberry. I don't know if they have. Yeah. You see a girl here? How about the one in white? What's behind you? With the glasses on? No? I'm just saying, you always get mad at me because I pick the most white girl. I point one out and you're like, man, do I have to pick her first? Then you want her? Is that it? I always pick that one. Every time. We're around this time. Please tell me I love me. You want to play me now? Oh yeah. I feel good. I win already. Again, play with him, but I don't want him to be lonely. Bye bye. Oh, your boyfriend back. He's like, fuck, I should have part find mod. She's the best looking girl here, that's what happens. He's like, oh, maybe I'll come back later, I go look around. He goes, look, no, so why girly? Like, oh, what? Oh, damn it. She's so angry now. I bet I'd be like, I leave, you give me 1,000 baht. Okay, here. I can make money off this right now. I bet I don't know 2,000, but okay, okay. You want to lose again?
Again, I want to.
Okay, go. You're already a winner, babe. Good job, man. You're number one. Look. 5-1. Yay. Oh, I don't know why I didn't say that.
So Maud's interview wasn't really that great because I've seen her so many times and I forget that some of you guys are new viewers and I should have done a better job of that, but I just kept it in there because I've kind of run out of footage because everything is up to date. That's pretty recent. So coming up, I got a lot more footage, so stick around, guys. And I love you.
I get it.
Thank you. Bye bye.